Meaning of honor roll.
Honor roll.
Honor roll.
Honor roll.
Honor roll. Honor roll is an academic distinction given to students who have achieved a high level of academic performance. Typically, this means earning a grade point average, GPA, above a certain threshold, such as a 3.0 or 3.5 out of 4.0. Being on the honor roll is seen as a recognition of hard work and dedication to one's studies, and can be a source of pride for both students and their families. Many schools publish honor rolls regularly, often at the end of each semester or year, as a way to celebrate academic achievement and encourage students to strive for excellence.